Hey guys, and welcome back to Tech Force. So today we'll be taking a look at a portable charger from iMuto called the Power Air 20. Now this charger features a built-in wireless charging pad, allowing compatible devices to simply be placed on it and charged. And it also has 20,000 milliamp hours of battery, which means it can charge an iPhone X about 6 times, which is pretty awesome. So if you're interested in purchasing this product, check out the link in the description below. But first, stick around to find out some more. Okay, so as always, let's take a look at what we get inside the box. So of course we get the portable charger itself. Then we also get given a really nice carrying case. Now, although I don't necessarily like the look of it, it does feel really premium. And then next we get the micro USB charging cable, as well as a micro USB to USB-C adapter, which can be used to charge any USB-C devices you have, and ultimately reduce the number of cables you need to carry around with you. Then finally we get the manuals, which are useful, but to be honest, it's a portable charger, so it isn't complicated at all. Okay, now let's kick off the review by taking a look at some of the advantages of this portable charger over others on the market. Now, the main obvious benefit is the fact that it has the ability to wirelessly charge a mobile phone or any other device you have with wireless charging built in. This is great and isn't exactly a feature which many wireless chargers have these days, so it's pretty cool to see it. The next major benefit is the fact that the percentage of the battery left in the wireless charger is displayed clearly on it. This is awesome, and well, I haven't actually seen this on any other portable chargers out there, but it's certainly very useful. Now that's essentially all of the major benefits of the portable charger itself. Some additional minor ones could be that the charger is obviously able to hold a lot of battery and charge your devices many times. And then the carrying case is perfect to store your cables as well as the charger itself, which is something you really do need in a portable charger. So apart from the benefits, let's take a look at some of the issues I found with this product. Now, well, I didn't see any big issues at all. Everything worked perfectly and my devices were able to charge several times at adequate speeds. But I do think there is room for improvement in terms of the design of the portable charger itself. First of all, the charger does feel quite bulky and heavy, which isn't ideal. You do want it to be portable and as lightweight as possible. Now, there are other 20,000 milliamp power banks out there which are lighter and thinner, but they don't feature wireless charging. So if that's a key feature for you, then you would have to sacrifice some portability. But then again, if you do want a wireless charging portable charger, which is lightweight and also has an incredible rubber feel to it, I would definitely recommend an Anker portable charger, which I reviewed a few days ago on this channel, and was only 10,000 milliamp hours, but in every other aspect, it was perfect. Now in terms of the design of this product, it doesn't feel or look simple enough. The Anker wireless charger was incredible in terms of its look and feel. It followed an incredibly simple and professional design, which I truly loved. But the iMuto portable charger just doesn't look as nice. It has a sort of grey-brown colour which doesn't look modern enough for me. But in terms of build quality, I do think it's okay. Like, it wouldn't just break or damage easily, so it's certainly durable. I just feel like it lacks in terms of the overall look. But then again, it is a portable charger and the aim is to charge your devices, which it does do perfectly. So putting the design aside, I would certainly say it's an awesome portable charger to buy. Now overall, for $39, I would say that this portable charger is certainly worth considering if you're looking for a 20,000 milliamp wireless charging power bank. This is because when comparing it at this price to other products on the market, this is certainly cheaper. For around the same price, Anker offers their 10,000 milliamp wireless charging power bank, but it's only half the capacity, which isn't worth it if you can get this one for exactly the same price and charge your phones or other devices twice as many times. So if you're looking for a portable charger, go ahead and purchase this one by using the link in the description below, and whilst you're there, please subscribe and leave a like. That's it for now. Thanks for watching and goodbye.